MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This is one of the winning strategy that I would like to show you today. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. You cannot use this strategy on MetaTrader5, neither can you use it on Derive platform. It is simple, and make sure you follow me closely. The download link to this all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. Now let me show you how this particular strategy works. I have combined few indicators together for this particular strategy, and I have few indicators, Forex indicators I've combined together for this MetaTrader4 strategy. And before you take any trade, please make sure you check a Forex factory. And if you do not know how to analyze fundamental analysis, kindly make sure you chat me, or if you do not know how to do that, I may make video on how to interpret all the news on the Forex factory. Now let me show you the indicators I use for all the strategy. I have like 4 indicators here, if not more than that, on my chart. But I'm going to show you all the indicators and the setting. But before then, let me show you how this particular strategy works. And you can use this strategy on any pairs at all. You can use it. This is a winning strategy. It does not repeat. Make sure you follow it closely. Now I have these 2 indicators here that look like a MA on the chart, and what you do is this: make sure the 2 indicators have the same color. At this particular point, they turn to red here for a buy at this particular point. And when you look at the 2 indicators on the indicators window here, we have a confirmation for a sell at this particular point. We have confirmation for sell here for this particular strategy here. We have confirmation here at this particular point for a sell, and these 2 lines turn to red for a sell. And when you check this particular point also, it turns to aqua color here for a buy. So at this particular point, we have the 2 indicators in agreement for a buy, and here we have it at this point for a buy. And I took a trade few minutes ago on the US 30 index, and the reason why I took it is this: I have this the 2 indicator giving us the same color turn to red, and the 2 indicator on the indicator windows turn to red also for a sell. And this is how to use this particular strategy. And the other indicator I have on the chart here is this indicator that showed the candle on all the time frame from 1 minute to monthly candle. And when you check all the time frame from 1 minute to weekly, is down, the candles are red. So this is a good trade to take, because we have nearly all the indicators in agreement for a sell at this particular point. So, and that was why I placed this particular trade. And the last indicator I have not explained is this box indicator that gives us this blue and red. We have red here. Red is for sell and blue is for buy. Just a confirmation. Is the same indicator that gives us this blue arrow. Just additional confirmation for a sell. If you see at this particular point, we have 2 of the box there forming at that particular point, and that's a good sign for me to enter more trade each time I see this particular box in agreement with the other indicators. And that's why I place this particular trade. So you can use it on any pair at all. You can use it on any time frame you want. And here is it on the New Zealand US dollar. So this is how it works, and this is it on the 15 minute. And here we have a good signal also, and I'm going to place this particular trade because everything is in agreement. You do not need to wait for hours before you analyze, because it is simple, and you can put your stop loss above the previous here, and they have every indicators in agreement. So, and that was why I placed this particular trade, and this is how to use it. And all this is red also. So this is how to use this. I just show you and enter new trade right now using the same strategy, the same indicator I have explained, and this is it on the 1 hour. You can use it on any time frame you want. Now I have the two trade right now running. So this is how we use this particular indicator. Use it on any time frame you want, either 5 minutes, 15 minutes. You can use it on any time frame you want. And here's it on the GU. So use it on any time frame and any pairs you want to use it. It is simple and anyone can use it. If you check the history also, it is accurate. And let me disconnect from internet and show you the history also. This is it on 15 minutes, and it gives us good win ratio. We have a good winning higher percentage here using this particular indicator. And here we have it on gold. You can check it on any time frame, either 15 minutes, 5 minutes, on any time frame at all. You can use this particular strategy. Now that you know how to use the indicator right now, and you know that you can use it on any time frame, now let me show you how to set up all the indicators that I use for this particular strategy. So number one indicator is this MACD zero cross indicator, and this is the indicator that gives us this particular box here, this red and blue box. So these are the settings for this particular indicator. Make sure you pause the video and set it up accordingly. So the next indicator is this step MA indicator. This indicator that look like MA, which is MA indeed, the step MA indicator. These are the colors, and these are the values that I use. You can play with the value, but this is what I use for this particular strategy. And once you are done, just click OK. The other indicator here is this step MA indicator, and these are the values for this particular indicators. Make sure you set it up accordingly. You can use any color you want, but this is what I use. And if you want to play with the inputs, you can do that and see how it works out. Then we have a MA trend indicator, this particular indicator here that gives us the direction of the candle from 1 minute to monthly candle. So you don't have to change anything here, just use the default setting. The only thing I change here is this X value to 1000 so that it can show very close to the edge of my screen. So you can play with this value anywhere you want it on your chart and click OK. Then the first indicator on the indicator window is trend circle indicator, and here are the values for this particular indicator. Make sure you pause it and set it up accordingly. make sure you pause it and set it up accordingly. And these are the colors also. Then the last indicator here also is step MA indicator here. These are the colors, and these are the inputs. You can pause it also and make sure you watch the video, this YouTube video on how to use this particular strategy. Click OK when you are done. And this is all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. It is a profitable strategy. Make sure you try it out on demo account. Make sure you are used to this particular MetaTrader4 indicator or strategy before you go live. It is simple and it is profitable. Make sure you check it out, and make sure you trade on regulated forex broker. In my video description, I have dropped some of the brokers I have to use, and I do not have any problem with them. You can register with any of the brokers. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.